What's going on? This is Markie. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. When it comes to cybercrime, cybersecurity measures are crucial when defending off these type of attacks such as ransomware, identity theft, fraud, and other malicious activities. Here I will quickly go over the 5 top entry-level cybersecurity jobs along with some of their job titles, preferred skills, and certificates. So let's get started with number 1. Security engineering and cybersecurity refers to utilizing engineering practices to build a designed, secure network, system, and application. The end goal of security engineering is to create a robust system that can detect, resist, and respond to various security attacks. Security engineering ensures that security is integrated into the overall system design. Some of their job titles are Application Security Engineer, Security Compliance Analyst, and Security Engineer. Some of their preferred skills are Computer Networking, Operating Systems, IT Support, Network Security. Some of the preferred certificates are CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or known as CISSP. When it comes to the procedures an organization follows when it identifies and responds to a cybersecurity incident, it's called the incident response. The main goals or functions of incident responses is to minimize and manage the impact of the incident, which also allows them to identify the root cause and prevent future incidents from happening. Some of the job titles are Vulnerability Analyst, Intrusion Analyst, Cybersecurity Incident. Some of the preferred skills are System Knowledge, Intrusion Detection, Network Security. Some of the preferred certificates are Certified Network Forensic Analyst, Certified Incident Handler. When it comes to management of an organization's cybersecurity program, a cybersecurity administration will get involved and play a crucial role in improving and maintaining cybersecurity measures to protect against cyber threats. Cyber administrators create and implement cybersecurity policies to establish guidelines for secure practices within the organization. Some of their job titles are Response Analyst, Endpoint Security Administrator, Network Security Administrator. Some of their preferred skills are communication and leadership skills, operating system knowledge, and security architecture. Some of their preferred certificates are CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information Security Manager. Security consultant involved providing expert advice to businesses and organizations to help them assess, identify, and minimize cybersecurity risk. Security consultants work to develop and manage effective policies, security measures, and best practices. Security consulting conducts risk assessments, which helps and allows their client to make better decisions. They evaluate the probability of potential threats and vulnerabilities. Some of their job titles are Vulnerability Management Consultant, Risk Consultant, Security Manager. Some of their preferred skills are communication skills, client interaction, and analytical thinking. Some of their preferred certificates are Council of E-Commerce Consultant, Certified Information Security Manager. Ethical hacking refers to the practice of intentionally triggering computer networks, systems, or applications to check security vulnerabilities. Ethical hacking is the primary goal to identify weakness in a system so that organizations can strengthen their security. Ethical hacking is conducted with permission from the owner of the system being tested. Some of their job titles are Cybersecurity Analyst, Security Engineer, Ethical Hacker. Some of their preferred skills are Critical Thinking, Problem Solving, Operating Systems. Some of their preferred certificates are Certified Information Systems Security Professional and Certified Penetrator Tester. The roles I have mentioned may help you gain an understanding of networking and operating systems and will help develop programming and scripting skills that are useful in the cybersecurity career path with these organizations that need added protection to their assets. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and they'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.